What is SAP? SAP System Overview for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Full Stack SAP Guy. In today's video, I'm going to explain what SAP is and give you a simple overview of the SAP system. This video is specially for those who are just starting to learn SAP or are planning to build a career in it. So, what is SAP? SAP is an ERP software that means Enterprise Resource Planning Software. It helps a company manage all its business processes like sales, purchase, accounting, human resources, and production, all in one single system. What are the main modules of SAP? SAP has many different modules. Some of the popular ones are FI Financial Accounting, MM Material Management, SD Sales and Distribution, PP Production Planning, HR Human Resources, and of course, ABAP, which is SAP's programming language. In this playlist, I'll mainly focus on SAP ABAP, the programming side of SAP. Why is SAP in high demand? SAP is currently the #1 ERP system in the world. Most multinational companies and large organizations use SAP to manage their business operations, and because of that, SAP developers and SAP consultants are always in high demand, not just locally, but globally. Before ending this video, if you're someone who wants to build a career in SAP, make sure to follow this playlist. In the next video, explain the SAP system landscape and how development, testing, and production systems work inside SAP projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video with more SAP content, right here on Full Stack SAP Guy. Take care and Allah Hafiz.